Hi, I'm Marna, and this is the Dolls Rescue channel, and I have Happy Mail. Deb's Doll Rooms sent me a Happy Mail. If you have not seen Deb's channel before, go by and give it a look. Deb is very informed on her dolls. She does a lot of research. What I like, she has a lot of beautiful dolls, make no mistake, and I like them all. But what I really like is Deb collects dolls that were made after famous people, and she always tells the story behind them. And she's an Elvis Presley fan, and on his birthday and different dates, she brings out her Elvis Presley dolls, and she just got a new one that I think is 16 inches. Very cool. Anyway, Deb sent me Happy Mail. Let's open it up. The UPS man just came, and we'll get this open. I can't imagine what it is. I have no idea. I did know it was coming. She did send me a note with tracking number, which was one of those, what do you say, happy surprises. We will list Deb's link below to her channel in the description. You'll like Deb. She is just a nice gal, and it shows on her channel, her tone of voice and that. You know how you can just kind of get a feel. Oh wow, I don't know what we have here. Let's see what the card says. Good thing my glasses are near. Lovely lighthouse card, dear Marta and Darren. How nice of you to include Darren. I could not have a YouTube channel without Darren. He's my cameraman. He does all my corrections and editing and gets it all ready for me. I am not techie at all. Dear Marta and Darren, I look forward to your videos. So much fun. I hope you enjoy these. I think you may have one of them, but I had to send him anyway. Enjoy. Deb's Doll Room. Thank you. What a nice note. All right, let's move this over. Oh, let's see what we got. Oh, Deb. Thank you so much. Look what I got. Trolls. I love troll dolls. I love, love, love troll dolls. And Deb sent not one, not two, not three, but 4 troll. Look at that. I don't have the toga. And look at the little felt in her hair to make the little, what do you call it? Not headband, the little ivory headpiece. Look at this guy. How cute is that? I have one of these Cinco de Mayo. And we live on the Katy Trail, which used to be rail, 2 trails, and we have train things in our house. And my favorite, I love biking, which goes with the Katy Trail, which was rails to trails, which we ride our bike on, oh gosh, several times a week. I cannot, thank you does not cover it. I am really tickled. Thank you so Thank you for watching. Go by and give Deb's channel a look. That's Deb's Doll Room, link in the description. Please leave a like, a comment, and subscribe.